Look, office chairs get really dirty because they pull their hands out, particularly in this commercial cleaning contract that we have, and it's because they've got all those greasy hands from, well, food and also from the makeup, etc. So we recommend that you use the Ultra Glove because this is a degreaser and you can really hear it getting in and cleaning. Now, even if it is a textile, well, that's actually a plastic backing, but this textile here has got a whole lot of grime, so you can actually clean it off. Oh, look at the grime that's coming off. That's amazing. I don't know whether you can see it, but so that's all the grime from body fat. So we could do a spring clean on these chairs. I don't want to get the wax around. Oh, I will. Let's do a bit more. So that's degreasing the chairs. And I'll just actually dry off a bit and hope nobody sits here today because it will take a while to dry off. How clean does that look? Amazing. Now we'll see if we can do those chairs individually and put them out in the sun.